In this video tutorial, we are going to give you a solutions of the basic issue in MikroTik that most of the people try to access their MikroTik using Winbox, but they cannot access it. That issue happens on most of the time on the VMware workstation or any other virtual machine or the PC that has the MikroTik installed with the version of x86. If you are facing the same issue, you are at the right place. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe the channel. Let's jump to the computer screen.
Most of the time I have seen this kind of issues with the learner of MikroTik, like they were able to install the MikroTik perfectly fine, but they cannot open it up in the Winbox application because there is no IP set. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up your IP address using the terminal of MikroTik so that you can access Winbox to configure your MikroTik router. So first of all, jump to the virtual machine, log in using the admin credentials, and then type the command IP address add address is equal to the address you want to set, and then type network is equal to sign and the network address, and then type netmask is equal to and type the subnet mask address, and the last thing, define the interface on what interface you want to set. So you need to type interface is equal to, it could be ether 1 or ether 0 depending on your hardware, and then we are going to add the gateway address. For that, the command is IP route add gateway is equal to and the gateway address. Hit enter, and now you should be able to log in using your Winbox. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit like button, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Bye.
Once again, thank you so much for watching the video. If you felt this video was informative for you, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you want to see more video related to IT, you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you will never miss out any of our upcoming video. Thank you and have a good one. I will see you in the next video.